Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tina. In today's video, we are going to be talking all about everything that I got from this December Boxycharm. So this was sent to me by Boxycharm. I am part of their PR. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump right to it and let you know everything that I got and what I feel about this box for the month of December. Please keep on watching, like this video if you like it, of course, and also subscribe to my channel because why not? It's free. And yes, something's going on with my hair right now. I decided to curl it and it looks like a hot freaking mess, and so yes, this is what you're gonna be dealing with for the next few minutes. All right, so Boxycharm. So this is what the box looks like for the month of December. It's a little different than, you know, your standard box that you get each month. This one is a little bit more in the rectangular spectrum, so that's what it looks like right there. And the theme here is "'Tis the Season," okay, so that's what it looks like. And so I got 5 different products in here. So with the idea of Boxycharm, you get 4 to 5 full-sized items and you pay about $21 and some change. You can also customize it where you can pay 3 months, 6 months, or to a year, depending on what you like, of course. And of course, the longer that you subscribe, the less that you pay. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. The first thing that I got here is the Tarte Glitter Lip Paint. So this is what it looks like right here, and it looks really pretty. And this one is in the shade Insta Famous. So this is actually what I have on my lips right now. It does have some specks of shimmers in there, but it is really, really pretty. It smells really nice also. So when you're applying this, it smells really nice. It smells like cupcake actually, and I really do like it. It glides really, really well, so I do like that. And this is a sheer lip gloss, and it's infused with shimmering glitter and delivers a luscious, multi-dimensional and high shine finish. So I do think that it does give you a nice high shine finish in your lips, so I like that a lot. So this one retails for $20. That amount right there is the box in itself. The next one in here is the Bodyography lip liner, and this is what it looks like. So this is also a full-size item. So this is what it looks like. This one is in the shade Heatherberry, so this is what it looks like. So that's what it looks like right there. It's a nice mauvey pink shade. I really love the shade of this lip liner. However, I had a hard time gliding this on my lips for some reason. It's not as smooth as other lip liners that I've tried before. So this lip liner is vegan. It is cruelty free. It has antioxidants infused with coconut and vitamin E. It's supposed to be long wearing and it glides on effortlessly, which in my case didn't really glide on that well, so I had to like keep re-gliding it and gliding it to get the color that I want. So but that's what I'm wearing as a lip liner on top of this lip paint. So it's pretty good so far. I really like the color, like I said. So that right there is $12 for this one. So the next product in here is the Pretty Vulgar Powder Room Translucent Setting Powder. So this powder looks like it's from the 60s or 50s, where, you know, they used to have this puffy powder thing here. So it looks really cool. So that's what the powder looks like. And this one is actually a pretty big item. This is supposed to be a weightless, skin smoothing, translucent setting powder that locks your makeup into place while enhancing the look of your foundation. The soft puff applicator delivers the right amount of powder, blurring and filling the lines and minimizing the appearance of pores. So that's what it looks like. I have this underneath my eyes. I have this on my forehead right now. So it looks really nice on. I really like that it is very, very smooth, especially upon applying it. It doesn't have any smell. And this one retails for $32. So this is a full-size item. So if you do buy this at Sephora, it's $32. So the next product in here is called the COSMEDIX Detox Activated Charcoal Mask. So this is what it looks like. So I've never tried this before until today. And this one is supposed to detoxify your pores from daily grime and COSMEDIX's Activated Charcoal Mask. It's supposed to visibly improve the brightness of your skin, while the activated charcoal and kaolin clay draw out dirt and impurities from your pores. So any charcoal mask would do something like that. They're basically a magnet for dirt and like impurities underneath your pores. So this one is actually really good. The only thing that I'm gonna say is that it did smell kind of weird to me. It smelled a little bit like alcohol for some reason, but upon applying this, everything was good, and I did apply this earlier today. So this one retails for $30. When it comes to Boxycharm, we always get a palette, so this one I was really excited about. And this one is from SUVA Beauty, and this one is the PROTEGE palette. It is a really nice palette, so as you can see, it is so pretty, and it's got your purple in there and your warm tone shades are in there also. So this one is really nice. I have it on my eyes actually. I have all of these on my eyes, so that's what it looks like, and it doesn't have that much fallout in there. And I really love the way that this makeup applies, and I've never tried SUVA Beauty before, but this one is actually pretty good. The only thing that I'm going to say is that the matte shades have a little bit of grit in them, but as far as I can tell, when you're building it up, the color does show on your lids, so that's what's really good about it. And I really do like that there is a mirror included in this palette as well. I did use this shade as my highlight also, so that's what you see there. And I really like it. I really like this. And this one retails for $34. Okay, so the total of this box is $128, and that is a really good price for getting 5 full-size items. And I'm definitely gonna use all of these. I really do love this Pretty Vulgar translucent powder, and I also love the SUVA Beauty palette. I am not so excited about the detox mask, however I am still going to wear it. And also the Bodyography lip pencil. So these are the two that I wasn't so excited about, but I'm glad that they did include this in the box because I can still use them no matter what. And this Tarte lip paint, it's great. I like it, but I'm not really a lip gloss wearer, so you know, I'm gonna wear it no matter what, but it's a good addition to what I have already. Alright guys, let me know what you like from this box, and if you've got your Boxycharm already, I would love to hear from you, and let me know what you guys got. Alright, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!